Hello students, today in entrepreneurship we are going to discuss what marketing research is. Okay, so market research is referred to as the systematic study and evaluation of all the factors bearing on a business operations which involve the transfer of goods from a producer to the consumer. See, marketing means actually transfer of goods from the producer to the consumers. So all the factors which affect this business operations. Okay, so it's a systematic study and evaluation. What we are doing in market research is we are analyzing all the factors which affect this marketing, that is which affects the transfer of goods from the producer to the consumers, and all these factors which influence this, we are studying that in market research. Now, what is marketing research now? Marketing research definition given by this definition is given by Philip Kotler. According to him, marketing research is a systematic problem analysis. What we are doing? We are analyzing the problem. Okay. So problem is being analyzed which is there in the market, and then model building. We are building the model and finding the fact finding. What is done? Problem is analyzed, then model is built up, and then facts are found for the purpose of improved decision making. Why all these things are being done? This is done for decision making, so that we can improve the decision making and control in the marketing of goods and services. So whenever company is marketing the goods and services, a better decision or a decision, an improved decision or a good decision is to be taken. So for that, company is analyzing the problems which is there in the market, then the company is building the model, and then facts are being found out to solve this problem. Okay, now marketing research is actually an activity. Okay, it's an activity for gathering of information, whatever information is needed for improved decision making. So that is done in marketing research. That means marketing research is an activity where a variety of information is gathered by the company, so that decision making is done in an effective way, or a very good or effective decision or improved decision is taken. So that is what market research is. Now, why market research is done, or why it is used? Market research is used to identify the opportunities and problems in the market. So whenever there is market research, the main purpose is to identify that what are the problems or what are the opportunities present in the market. Then to refine and evaluate the marketing actions, whatever marketing action is being taken by the company, the marketing research is done to redefine it or to evaluate that why it is being done. Then comes monitoring the marketing performance, and then improved understanding of the marketing as a process. That means marketing is a process. So for improved understanding why that is done and what is the process of marketing research. So that is done in marketing research. Next we have the importance of marketing research. Now there are four importance. First is planning and execution of marketing plan, which means any business can effectively plan and execute all its work, all its activities if the company is having relevant information. Okay, the information related to the market, related to the product, competitors, if all the information are there with the company, then it is easier for the company to plan and execute all the activities. Secondly, quick and correct decision making. Decision making requires accurate and relevant information. So marketing research provides this input of accurate information, and on the basis of that, quick and correct decisions are taken in the company. Next comes effective solution to marketing problems. See, there are so many marketing problems which a company faces. So marketing research helps in detecting those problems which the marketing or the market or the company marketing activities or marketing department is facing. So it's easier to detect the problem and to solve the problem when marketing research is done. Then we have the social significance, means because of this marketing research, the consumer is actually treated as the king of the market. Consumers are the king of the market, but this gives the utmost importance to the customers. So it has social significance also. The next topic is marketing research process. Now, there are 7 steps in marketing research process. First is identify and defining a marketing problem. That means whatever problem that is involved, that we have to identify and then it has to be defined. Properly we have to, the marketing research, in it we have to define the problems which the company is going to tackle. Okay. Then we have specified the information required. Now what type of information is required here, that has to be seen. That means all the information which is required for the marketing problem, that has to be seen. Now information can come from primary source or the secondary source. Okay. That means the information can be available already if research is being done or related material is available, that is the secondary source, and if it is to be done for the first time, that is the primary source. Next is developing the research design and research produce. That means determining whether such information is already available. After that, we have to develop the research design. Then select the research instrument. The instrument is to be selected, like the sample type or what will be the population or the target population, because everyone in the population cannot be served. So you have to determine the target population. Then analyzing and interpreting the information. Whatever information is being collected here is to be analyzed and interpreted. That means here the researcher uses various statistical tools, the averages and other tools which is used for interpretation of the information. Then the summarizing the findings, means whatever findings are there, that you have to, the conclusion is to be written here. Then preparing the research report. The research report is a document which gives details of the research problem, the data collected and the conclusion drawn. So a research report is prepared by the researcher. So these are the 7 steps in marketing research process.